What's going on, guys? My name is DJ Cruze and welcome to my channel and welcome to another DJ tutorial. Now in this topic we're going to talk about how to blend two songs with a similar sample, okay? This came from one of my previous tutorials, so I'm going to leave the link right up here. Basically the gentleman was like, hey Cruze, I got this idea, I don't know how to blend it. Can you give me your interpretation of how you will blend it? So I'm gonna leave it open. If you have any questions, comments, or tutorials you want me to touch on, drop a comment below, let me know, and I will make the video for you. If you're new around here though, you gotta give me the subscribe and give me the thumbs up to let your boy know you're doing something right. Now, roll the intro. Okay guys, so I'm gonna give you 3 different variations of how to do this type of mix. It's called WordPlay mixing, alright? So I'm gonna start with my right deck, which is Top Billin' by Audio 2. Then I Get Money by 50 Cent on my left deck, alright? So we're gonna start with my right deck and I'm gonna blend it to my left. You ready?
Big bodyguard, so step up if you wanna get hurt. Milky's gonna pull this skirt. I get money, I get money, I get money, I get money.
You just want to be in and out with this. You don't want to take your time on it. 1, because you want to be people like, oh my God, he's killing it. And 2, you don't want to be too predictable with the mix, all right? Now again, keep in mind, when I'm doing this type of mix, my BPMs are still there, 92 BPMs. You want to be as close as possible to the BPM. Okay guys, so I'm going to give you the second variation of how I would do something like this, all right? So we're going to start with the same song again. You ready?
Big bodyguard, so step up if you wanna get hurt. Milky's gonna pull this skirt. I get money, 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 I get money.
Again, if you wanted that element of surprise, you can add the scratching. But again, this is something you want to be in and out. You don't want to take your time on this one, all right? You want to do the element of surprise, all right? Now, I'm going to give you my last tip of how you can do a good transition, all right? So my last transition that I'm going to give you guys is this. Basically, you go into the vocals and smoothly blend it into the other one. Keep in mind, the BPM has to be the same when you do something like this. The songs I'm using is Getting Some Hair by Shauna, and then on the right deck, I'm using Backing It Up by Partisan Fountain, featuring Cardi B. So you ready?
I was getting some head, getting some head.
You see how fast it was? You want to be in and out. You just want to do the element of surprise with people. So I'm gonna do it one more time, all right?
I was getting some head, getting some head. Ran down on a bitch. She almost.
Tell me what you guys think about the transitions. Drop a comment below if you learned something. If you want me to go more into detail on how you come up with these ideas, just let me know and I will gladly explain this. With that, your boy signing out. Peace.